This is Megatron S4 HPS machine for vitrectomy. We have switch on the machine, and this is the first screen after switch on the machine and booting sequence completed. This is menu. Here you can see the surgeon list. You can program up to 20 surgeons in a surgeon list. Every surgeon can have a 20 kind of operation in operation list, and every operation have a 20 surgical steps. So you can choose the doctor, respective operation and surgical steps, specific surgical steps, and press to surgery.
For vitrectomy, please insert cassette.
After pressing the to surgery, system asks, please insert the cassette. So this is the cassette used for peristaltic as well as venturi pump. This is a 2-in-1 cassette. You have to hold the cassette like this and insert in this slot above these two notches at 45-degree angle and press. So once the cassette is placed on system here, it shows cassette status green, field level and pressure is green. If all these three is green, that means your cassette is very well accepted and working fine. So in this cassette, here is a irrigation in line, irrigation out line, and here is the aspiration port. So only 3 connections is there, and here is the tubing which is collected the fluid in collection bag. So now we have to check the cassette performance. For that, first we will connect the aspiration tubing, any aspiration tubing to the cassette. Aspiration, it may be a cutter, it may be a phaco tubing, or it may be a any aspiration tubing. So we will connect this aspiration tubing. We will select cassette test and again to surgery.
Peristaltic pump infusion level 90 centimeter continuous infusion off.
This is peristaltic pump. We will block the tubing here and press the foot switch. Press the foot switch. So the vacuum will build up to 600. Keep pinching the tubing and make sure vacuum is building up to 600. That means your cassette is working very well in peristaltic mode. Release the foot switch. Select the venturi.
Venturi pump continuous infusion
And
off.
press the foot switch again. And make sure your cassette building 600 mm Hg pressure in venturi pump. So the vacuum is building in 600 in both the pump. That means your cassette is 100% working, and you will not find any kind of problem related with the aspiration. बंद कर.